you just take that out, apparently they're making a form and then you have to apply on the form and then come through.
Our transport network regularly, and we have enhanced cleaning measures in place across our stations and trains to make travelling safer for everyone. From the 10:51 TfL rail service to London Liverpool Street. Toilet Manor Park, Forest Gate, Maryland, Stratford and London Liverpool Street. This train is full of 7:20. Platform 4 from the 10:51 TfL rail service to Romford, Gideon Park, Haroldwood, Brentwood and Sheffield. This train is full of 7:20.
Ilford. This is the TfL rail service to Liverpool Street. Next station, Manor Park.
From 10 a.m. until 10 p.m. this Sunday, TfL Rail will run a reduced train service between Liverpool Street and Gideon Park. Eastbound services will also not stop at Harold Wood or Brentwood. Please allow extra time for your journey.
You are over here, right? So you need to go from here to bank, and then you go over here.
Just 16:57 TfL rail service to Sheffield.